So let's talk just a bit about beginning sound isolation. I want and need children to show me that they can isolate beginning sounds really well, because we want them to understand the alphabetic principle. If a child can look at bear and say B, then I understand that then I know that he can understand what this black squiggly line is. So this is the relationship we want to build here, and it's built upon the child's phonemic awareness, the child's beginning sound isolation. One of the ways I do it with young children, but I think it's very appropriate for kindergarten and even some first grade kids, is to play something what I call beginning sound bingo, where I model the slicing off of beginning sounds. Who has the monkey? Who has the B buttons? So I'm modeling, as the bingo caller, I'm modeling the slicing off of beginning sounds. The child is putting his game piece on the proper image and then repeating that beginning sound. Who has B ball? And when the child puts the game piece on, I'm going to encourage him to say B ball, because his voice is more important to his brain than my voice. And of course, when we play games like this, children who are standing around waiting for their turn, they're hearing it as well. So it's a multiplication factor. The whole classroom is being infused with this very simple task of slicing off beginning sounds.